How to use Stremio on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up App Store on your iOS device. Now search for Stremio. Type Stremio and click on search. Now tap on install and wait for some time. Now after installing, tap on open. Now select not allow and click on sign up. Now enter your email address and create your password. Now confirm the password. Now select these two options and click on sign up. Now tap on add-ons at the bottom right corner. So from here you can add different modules to watch different streaming websites on a single app. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.